Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today, I've rounded up 21 stunning bridal makeup looks to inspire your big day. Whether you're planning your bridal look or just here for some gorgeous wedding inspiration, let's get into it. 1. Classic red and gold glam. You can never go wrong with a bold red lip and gilded gold eyeshadow. Add dramatic lashes and you're the perfect traditional bride. 2. Soft pink and peach elegance. A romantic fresh look with soft pink or peach tones, glowing skin, and a rose-kissed lip. 3. Regal deep burgundy. Burgundy tones are rich and luxurious. A deep wine lip with soft, smoky eyes adds a touch of drama without being too much. 4. Glowing gold and bronze goddess. Warm golds and bronzy hues. Give that golden hour glow all day long. It looks stunning on every skin tone. 5. The no makeup makeup. Look perfect for brides who love a natural finish. Fresh skin, a hint of blush, and soft fluttery lashes create effortless beauty. 6. Softly smoked kohl eyes. A beautifully understated look with softly smoked out kohl and neutral lips. Timeless and elegant. 7. The bold black and gold eye. A dramatic black and gold cut crease paired with a nude lip for a striking yet sophisticated feel. 8. Rosy bridal glow. A delicate flush of pink on the cheeks and lips for a naturally youthful and radiant bridal look. 9. Copper and terracotta tones. Warm, earthy and perfect for dusky complexions. This look is effortlessly glamorous. 10. The sultry plum look. Plum and mauve tones add depth and sophistication, making it a gorgeous choice for any bridal style. 11th. Glittering silver queen. If you love a bit of sparkle, a silver glitter eye with a soft nude lip is a dazzling choice. 12th. Smoky grey and charcoal. A sultry, modern take on the classic smoky eye, using deep grey and charcoal hues. 13. The monochrome mauve look. Mauve tones on the eyes, cheeks and lips for a beautifully cohesive and chic look. 14. Traditional gold and red Bengali bride. Thick, kohl-lined eyes and a bold red lip define this classic Bengali bridal style. 15. Sun-kissed coral beauty. Soft coral tones bring warmth and radiance, giving the skin a fresh, glowing finish. 16. Emerald green and gold royalty. A regal look that pairs emerald green eyeshadow with gold accents. Absolutely stunning. 17. Bold blue statement eyes. Cobalt or navy blue eyeliner makes for a daring, modern twist on traditional bridal makeup. 18. Soft champagne elegance. Champagne hues are delicate, flattering and effortlessly glamorous. 19. The royal Rajasthani look. Bold brows, dramatic kajal and deep red lips define this regal, heritage-inspired bridal look. 20. Minimalist bride with glass skin. For those who love a subtle, fresh look, glowing, hydrated skin is key. 21. The modern cut crease queen. A sharp cut crease with a bold lip for brides who love a statement makeup moment. 21. Bridal makeup looks to inspire your big day. Whether you're going for a timeless classic or something modern and bold, the right makeup will have you feeling like the absolute queen you are. Let me know in the comments which look is your favourite, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more bridal beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.